Google just released a UI generation tool called Stitch, allowing you to generate designs for your app. So you can generate UI designs for both mobile and web. This tool has two modes: standard, by using Gemini 2.5 Flash. You can also use Gemini 2.5 Pro Experimental. Once you select Gemini 2.5 Pro, you have noticed here we have an option to attach an image, mockup, or any visualization. I have already generated a simple screen, so by clicking that is going to open. So this was generated using a single prompt, that is this one. So that is just a single short prompt. One great thing about this tool is that once you generate your designs, you can copy the code or you copy the designs for Figma. I have already opened Figma, so I will paste it here and zoom in. Once you bring the designs here, we have access to all the individual layers, which is very cool. So we can go ahead and make changes. We have the vector icons. So if you want to start any mobile or web project, this is a very cool tool to begin with because you can mock up your UI very quickly. Let's go back to the site and try to generate a UI from an image. So with Gemini 2.5 Pro Experimental selected, I will add an image. Let's try to see if we can generate UI for this image. So over here, I'm going to add a prompt. Then I'll change the option to mobile and send it. Let's wait to see if it will be able to generate similar designs like we saw in the image. You have noticed it has been able to generate that. However, some of the UI elements are not good. Let's bring the original image so that we can compare. You have noticed here, it added Ask Anything to the button, which is not good. But once you have the initial design, you can go ahead and take it to Figma as I showed you previously. Then you select the individual layers and fix them. So this is how to get started with Stitch by Google to generate UI designs for both mobile and web applications.